Hi my country people, how una dey? Popular Nollywood actress wey mouth no dey comot for im body, Regina Daniels, don post am for her Instagram page say she dey wit her billionaire husband Ned Nwoko di time wey e receive certificate of return from Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for International Conference Centre, Abuja. Di 62-year-old politician and businessman dey swim inside money like fish dey swim for inside ocean. As some of us know, but in case una no sabi, make I tell una, Ned Regina Daniels husband dey among di politicians wey contest for 2023 presidential plus House of Assembly election wey shele for February 25, just 2 weeks ago. As di man be popular candidate wey sabi dash pipo kukushi wella, na so dem vote for am for senator afta im contest under Delta North Senatorial District seat for Delta State. Ned vote plenty pass odas as im get a total of 92,514 votes to take beat di man wey dey close to am. Dat one na Mr. Kennedy Comer of Labour Party. Im get 86,121 votes. Di pesin wey carry third for di contest and wey dem comot di senate seat from im yansh na di incumbent. Im name na Peter Nwoboshi of All Progressives Congress (APC). Im get a total of 36,816 votes. As Regina Daniels dey post di jubilation for her Instagram page, na so she denge pose wit her husband, take beautiful picture plus including di one wey dem show everyone say INEC certificate don enta dia hand. Na im come make Regina Daniels write, make I quote am, "Today, we received the certificate of return from INEC at the International Press Centre in Abuja. Once again, I say a big thank you to everyone who showed their support. You will further appreciate by showing the great people of Anioma right." Na immediate Regina fans begin react. One fan wey im handle name be Eunice Nwobushi write say, make I quote am, "I love the way you dress, Gina. So classy. Congratulations to your farm. Serve well, sir." Another fan with @Kimberland follow join in the talk. E write, make I quote that one again, "My dear, we want to be your in-laws oo." One other fan wey be @Rejoice Johnson write say, "Na Ned win, na Regina hold certificate. In this life, marry a man that loves you." Hey! Love na sweet thing oo, especially when success follow am. Anyway, we at Gbemi Naija Gist wish Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko plenty grace for dem elbows. If una gbadun dis gist, make una helep us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.